All right. Tonight is Monday Night Football. And who's gonna win? We're playing against a backup quarterback.
The best team wins.
Thank you. That's the better
So
answer.
you saw the KV from Washington Command?
Yeah. All right, now check it out. You have a quiz Friday. If I could say anything, and y'all be like, All right. No. How about, you know what I'll do? I'll wait till after a holiday and then I'll give y'all a quiz. All right. Well, tomorrow's a holiday and I'll give you a quiz. All right. So, anyways, quiz Friday, like I said. We are going to continue making sure y'all got time to finish these 2 assignments. Because a lot of people say they need more time and then sit around and do weird stuff. So, let me remind you how to do this stuff. Now, this stuff was more like on the 28th when I was in here. You should know how to multiply and combine like terms. So I'm going to remind you with this warm-up. Is everyone looking up here? Here we go. First things first. PEMDAS, parentheses, inside there's nothing to do but exponents. There's no exponents on the parentheses, but there is multiplying. Okay? Does everyone see 2 parentheses next to each other? You're going to multiply them, and when you multiply, it's 5 times negative 3. What's 5 times negative 3? Negative 15. Now look, I have 2 x's with the same base, so what do I do with the powers? Add or multiply? Add. 2 bases of the same base, you add the powers. So x2, 2 plus 2 is 4. If it's 1 base with 2 powers, that's when you multiply. Now, what about can't forget this little y here. There's 1 y. Boom. Okay. Now over here, when there's a plus sign, that separates it. Now we're going to think about this over here. Okay. What do I do again between these parentheses? Multiply. 4 times 4 is
50.
16. Okay, now just an x means x to the 1, right? 2 bases are the same. What do I do with 1 and 3? No, same base, I add them. 1 plus 3 is 4. Do I have a y? I have 1 y. Write it down, okay? So look, I have an example of multiplying. I got another example of multiplying. And then it says to add them up. But the question is, can I add them up? Do they have the same variables? Does this match this? x4y, x4y. They do match. So what are we going to do? We're going to add the coefficients. What's negative 15 plus 16? 1. Now, whenever there's a 1 out front, invisible math, you don't have to write it. So that's going to be just x to the 4y. Negative 15 plus 16 gives you 1, but you don't have to write it, so this is your final answer. Plus 16. 1. Okay? Now, and you could use Desmos to verify, okay? Now, that was the warm-up for today. My question is, did you turn in last week's warm-up?
Yes, I did.
Bart, grade them.
Wow. So I will be grading stuff you've turned in as time permits. Okay. Yeah. So
I'm gonna need to use the app.
don't do that.
AI is the OG plug. It's like that one guy that always sells crack now.
All right, buddies. What you're gonna do is the assignments from the last couple of days. You see them over there. Powers of monomials, 1029, 1 through 15. And then dividing monomials, 1030. You see that? Number 1 through 15. Okay? You. Yeah. So, does everyone understand? I'm giving you time to work on it. You can ask questions. You can get it done. You cannot be napping, watching other videos, doing something else. You need to be working. If you're done with everything, there's a delta math for you to work on. 11.3. You can do it. You have the power and the wisdom. You can do it. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to let y'all work. Let's get it.